Custom home with 4 bedrooms or 3 with study and 3 full baths. This home has been remodeled/upgraded throughout most of the home in 2020. Split floor plan with many upgrades. This home is very inviting with a great room, a second living dining area. This home is sitting on a tad over an acre of land. Plenty of room for all the toys. Large covered back patio to enjoy all the natural wildlife. Artesian well. Roof 2018. This is a must-see home. Feels like you are living in the country but yet so close to shopping, dining and so much more.